Typography is visual voice, and that's why read comfort and ease are very critical. Changing from Caesar Graphics, in this tutorial, I'm going to be sharing the recent fonts I downloaded from the internet, and I'm going to share why these fonts are successful to me so you can use them in your next project. So let's start. You can find the link to all the character I'm going to review in this video in the description section. All right, so the first character I'm going to review today is Janeiro. And the reason why I love Janeiro is because of the weight and the design of the character. Janeiro is suitable for both print and screen projects. You can also use Janeiro for projects that convey energetic, fun, childlike, happy, and friendly. You can also use Janeiro for food and restaurant logo design projects. But there's the error side of Janeiro, which is you cannot use Janeiro for lengthy text. Avoid making Janeiro too small in your project. Why? Because of the weight of the character. If it's too small, it's not going to be visible. All right, so let's go straight to our next character, Glony Move. And the reason why I love this character is because it goes with any type of design project. You know, and also it's a super font family character, and super font family character are always nice when you contrast them in your project. And how you contrast them is when you combine the thin style with the black style in your project. All right, and Glony Move is also good for body copy. All right, and if you have a menu design projects you are to work on, you can always use Glony Move for the project, but it's best to combine it with another character, which I'm going to show you guys here, and that's called the Cormorant character. So you can combine Glony Move with Cormorant if you're designing a food menu project. So you can make Glony Move the header and use Cormorant as the body copy. But there's one little problem with Cormorant. All right, it's not always best to use Cormorant for body copy when you are designing a screen project. Why? Because it's going to be difficult for people to read what you have in the project. But when it comes to print, Cormorant is best for body copy. I'm going to put the link, like I said, in the description section so you guys can download all this character. And I'm going to do my best to post more tutorials like this for you guys to watch. I'm sure you learned something from this video. If you have not subscribed, remember to hit the subscribe button and remember to click the post notification bell so you get notified when I post my tutorials, because I'm going to be posting more tutorials like this for you to watch. And if there's anything you want to share with me, drop it in the comment section. I'll do my best to reply you. Give this video a thumbs up if you love it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.